what Isaiah is doing, he's catching little fish called chub in this small water hole that I can't see. And then he hooks the chub and then we'll come over to the larger pool and use it as bait.
Bandito bug? No, it's full Texas ring bandito bug.
What'd you get?
Bandito bug, completely Texas ring with the weight.
You found him on the route?
Yeah. That's a plus for me. I don't have to go through my tackle box and find every single piece to put it together.
Here, let me see him.
It's got the weight, it's got the hook, it's got bandito bug.
It's great.
Great.
So 2 creatures and 1 lure.
What is that? It's a sports car. It's a sports car.
3rd catch of the night. This is for Marshall. See, you should come fishing with us. We don't just catch fish, we catch cars sometimes.
I think it's a river cooter. Little river cooter. Hey, we should put that in their pond.
Get real close.
But nah, we got a bucket.
That's great. What'd you say he was?
River cooter. I'm gonna try to hit that spot over there where they were hitting earlier. Oh, one got it, one got it, one got it. Oh, that's a bass. Look at that. Look at that little spotty, right? Spotted bass. Look at this, Dad. Nice. That's awesome. Yep, it's I think it's a spotted, yeah. Spotted or tiger. Pretty sure the same thing. Hey. I didn't know there was this many bass species. Like, I literally thought there was just a couple bass species until I looked in my book the other day. Well, my book only says spotted, but look at that beauty right there. Little spotted bass. Kind of want to put them in my tank, but I already have a largemouth, so. See you later, buddy. Oh, it's power bait. I want to see what that is. It's some sort of fishing bait. Is there anything in it? It's power bait, fish bite, and won't let go. Bass attract. Oh, there's still some in there. I'm gonna try to put some on my fly and see if that works. Maybe it does something. I think I actually poured it all out. Oh, there's some. Ugh, it's disgusting. I'm gonna throw this away because I used it. Ugh, I think that's enough. That's disgusting. If I get a fish on my first cast, we'll know that's the stuff that worked. Or I just casted right in front of a fish that wanted to bite. We'll also see if it just washes away on my first cast. If I come back and there's nothing there, I feel like that thing's junk. Still something there. But I don't think it works. Maybe it has some scent, but personally don't same that's like squirt stuff that you squirt on your lure. It washes away every cast. Probably doesn't work. Oh, I got him. Nah, that's probably my biggest one of the day. So did the Bass Attract work? The power bait Bass Attract? I don't know. You should know that's a nice fish. Oh, he splashed me in the face. Oh, rascal. Oh, had a hit. Oh, they were right behind it. Ah, I had him. Oh, right as it touched the water. Again. We're getting oh, that's my biggest yet. He choked it. Oh, no, stepped in a deep hole. Ah, this is a monster.
Oh, he swallowed it.
This is like Eden size. I'm gonna try to get this jig out. There we go. See you later, buddy. That boy. Let's see if we can get some more. I think I found where they're hiding.
That one. Little red-breasted sunfish, I think. He's a baby of what I have in my pond.
Here, let me see.
Recognize this guy? It's literally exactly the same one we have in the pond.
Ours has
Except
gotten a lot bigger.
Ours is a lot bigger. Get the release. There it goes. Second cast. Got a little fishy. First cast wasn't so good. Try another cast.
I saw a huge turtle right there. That's what keeps swimming over there.
Where?
Way far out. I wish you'd come closer. I'm gonna put my line in, maybe draw him over.
Caught a bass. Not big, but cute little guy. Release him.
Holy cow.
Oh, Dad just got a monster. Dad just got a monster. Oh, it's a big old bass. It's a bass. I'm filming. It's a smallmouth.
I got it.
Flip him. No, it's a spotted.
Oh, right, got the light on?
Nice spotted bass. Let me turn it down a setting. Woo. Oh, this is too bright.
No, don't turn it down a setting. Just back up.
Look at that spotted bass. That's got to be your record for a spotted bass. Probably because you've never caught one.
Yeah, I've definitely never caught one.
Let me see him.
Nice spotted.
Pretty good size, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, pull out the how long do you think he is?
Bass.
Too bad we broke our skill the other day.
Look. From my finger to the inside of my elbow.
So he's as long as your forearm.
Yeah, maybe 8
With
inches.
yeah. So as long as your forearm with your finger stretch out.
That thing's like 15.
All right, ready? Ooh, that was fun.
Nice. That's got to be one of your biggest.
That was the bug he sent me. Yeah, he was really fighting hard. That was awesome.
Nice. I'm coming. Just gotta make sure I don't spook him. Because last time I was right here and wasn't looking, and I fell down right here, and he was right there. Let's go out to the dock. There he is, right there. I moved.
Got him. All day. Wait, where is he? Time out.
He's right there.
Here. Let me get this over this rock. Oh no. We need to pull this down. Got him.
Got a garden.
Got him. Hi, bring him back. Let's bring him back.
He stabbed me in the leg.
He tries to stab you in the leg. Oh, he's not looking too happy. Oh, he's perfect for our pond. Yes, he is. But I'm not. We don't have a bucket or we don't have a cooler.
Yeah, we got a garden.
He's not that big. He's a juvenile.
Nice.
Here.
I want to hold him.
Me too. He might. Yeah.
Whoa. Holy moly, how did you get him?
There's a bluegill in there too. I'm gonna put him in the net. I'll hold the net here, just because I mean he has a lot of teeth in there. I don't want to be touching those teeth.
Smells. Oh no, grab him.
Here, hold the leg. I want to grab. I got him. I want to hold him. Here, set him back down. I want to hold him. Take it from me. Right there. One sec. I gotta get the good grasp. Grab him. He's good. He looks like he could fit in our pond. Nah. He's like double the length of my bass. So, this is a long-nosed gar. He has that beautiful, look at the spotted tail on that. Let me open up his jaw. Look at those teeth. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Let's get the release. No, wait. Don't want to keep him out too long.
Hang on, can I see his tail again?
No, these things are bony, hard, and they can live out of water.
Get him real still.
They can live out of water.
That's like a rock right there.
They can live out of water.
Look at his spotted tail.
Hang on, I want to get his body and then his tail.
This would be a great
Hold.
pond fish for us.
Look at his tail right there. I'm shining on it.
Equipment to bring it home.
Right there.
Wait, show me the tail again.
Whoa.
He doesn't like that.
Yep. Okay, let's get a good release.
Atticus, light in the water.
So I'm gonna sit him right here. There he goes.
Right off.
Okay, I'm happy now. I got a gar on my